Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a market analysis and key level video for the week beginning the 9th of August, Sunday. And this week should be quite interesting. Last week we were looking for some support to come in right in here. Of course, this is Sunday, so we recorded this video right around here. And then when the market opened on Sunday night, chopped around, did come into support. And the way it moved up was quite ugly, and then it just moved right down into this lower line that we had, which was very interesting. So coming into this week, we have three areas that we're going to keep an eye on. The first one is we're going to have resistance right up here between 2084 and 2080. So we're going to keep an eye on that. That's our big level of resistance. If it does hold, if it gets above, comes back down, that's considered a hold. Ideal would be to come in and not break above 84s and then just start to roll back over. And then this area is a resistance, but it's not as big. So if it is able to get above here, then it can come up, it can hold, and come down. We really want to see what it's going to do. So 2091 is going to be that level that we're going to keep an eye on. It was the first level from last week that we watched, and it should be quite interesting to see how price actually does react at that area if it does get up there. Support, major support is going to be, intermediate support would be around 70 to 69, something like that. Major support would be 64 down into 2058. If price breaks below that, especially if it chops around a little bit and comes up here and then starts to roll over, hits that and breaks it, we could see price go quite a bit lower, somewhere maybe south of 2013 and perhaps quite a bit lower than that. That's not what I'm thinking initially. That's not my primary outlook, but that's a possibility that could play out. So you want to be aware, of things that could play out. What I'm thinking is, price supports up here, keeps pushing up, and then it takes this out and keeps going, and it could take us into that 2140 plus level that we talked about, the past many weeks as a possibility. When the market is very choppy and just not doing anything, non-directional, you could say, it's most likely going to continue being non-directional. Price is likely to continue its past performance. So like if it's directional, it's most likely to be directional. If it's non-directional, it's most likely to be non-directional. Unless certain things play out, and then that can change things. And that's what we're looking for this week. This was very interesting how it did get pretty ugly, and we talked about how with the members, we talked about how it was looking ugly and it looked like it had a chance to start to run down again. Friday afternoon, we talked about this region being a support region. It did get a nice pop, up to 74s, which was around 4 o'clock on a Friday. But it did get a very nice pop off of that. So that was actually quite interesting to see. So this week we're just going to watch those key levels, see what happens, see what plays out. Should be a lot of fun. So with that, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and share it. Get the information out there, and I would greatly appreciate it. So have a great rest of your weekend, everyone. Have an awesome trading week, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.